What is command flags? Well, shell programs will often support command flags to pass options or parameters, and programs may call their flags by different names, such as options, parameters, or fields. I will generally call them flags, but sometimes I will call them other things. You need to know based on the context of what you're working with, what people are referring to. So just understand there's some variation there. So here I have a bunch of examples of flags, and let's take a look at all the different kinds of variations. These are just common programs that you will encounter while using Linux. So flags start with the usual hyphen hyphen, and they'll usually expect an input. Programs might allow either a space or an equals between the flag and input. So just note that here we have a space, and then here it's an equals, and sometimes you can do both. Flags might expect to come first or last. So notice here that above here it comes after, and then here it comes before. And some programs will complain that it has to be in a specific order, or it could not matter whatsoever. It could be in the front or behind a specific area. Flags can have shorthand flags noted by the single hyphen. So notice we have output here. This hyphen O means the exact same thing as the one above here. There could be a capitalized shorthand flag that does something different. So this hyphen capital O does not do the same thing as the one above. Flags might not require or expect an input. So here it's just hyphen G, no input required. You can have multiple flags where the order doesn't matter. So notice here we have ls hyphen L, and then which is the shorthand, and then hyphen hyphen all. You could flip them in the opposite order and it would still work. Some programs may let you combine shorthand flags together. So this command hyphen LA is the same thing as this one above here. So yeah, there's a lot of variation here. It can trip up beginners where you think you're doing things right, but you just didn't realize that there was some hidden restriction for that specific program. But there you go.